pair. The champ, lane number 1, Jose Gonzalez, the Jet. Wade Racing. Dominant in 2021. Was really an amazing season for Jose Gonzalez out of the Dominican Republic through Ball Ground, Georgia, where Proline is based. Q80 Racing tore up a car right here, in fact, at ZMAX Dragway, and that set forth a chain reaction of bringing a car in from the Middle East and going on to win the championship, frankly. Pretty amazing stuff. Over there in lane number 4, that's Kris Thorne. Kris Thorne won the first race of the season out there at the Amalie Motor Oil NHRA Gator Nationals and really kind of crushed them. It was a dominant performance for Kris Thorne. So we're definitely going to keep our eye on Kris. Has shown he's had a fast car in the past, but he's 1 for 1 in the 10-race championship. And this is, it's a tighter season in the Camping World Series. 1 win accounts for a higher percentage of the races. And so Kris Thorne is already off to a really good start. If he could get another one here, he'd be a favorite to win the championship. But first, he's got to get qualified. Lane 3, that is Sidnei Frigo. Sidnei from Sao Paulo, Brazil. All right, everybody getting in, getting staged up. Frigo, Thorne, Gonzalez. Number 2, got all worked out. Down the track they go. Thorne is off the throttle, but it's going to be Jose Gonzalez. Drops 1, 5.78.2, 2.47.88. Jose Gonzalez, quickest of the round, 5.84.0, 2.48 for Sidnei Frigo. Lane number 2, 5.89.7 at 2.44.07. And then Thorne crosses 10.504 at 26 miles per hour. The Arnavinco machine, beautiful. Chevelle body, turns the corner. Thank you, Mr. John Waldy. Yenko style. Got the Fuel Tech stickers. And that'll do it for Fuel Tech Pro Modified, presented by D-Wagon. You can find out more information at steinar.com. And I'm looking through the catalog, and it is very cool. But welcome back, Pro Modified racers and crews. We really appreciate all of you. And it's been a little too long since Gainesville. But now you guys are getting ready to ramp up and get out on tour.